I am Yusuf Yusuf, grade 1 Bluetooth. Today, I will show you how to do cough etiquette because it helps prevent infection. Cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Achoo! Achoo! Throw your tissue properly. Your hands after coughing or sneeze by washing with soap and water or using alcohol.